Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today we're working with the transfer Kindness, and it's going on our 10-inch black metallic round. So I just cut on the cutting lines, and then I mark the back side to make sure I get the correct side. Remember, it's sticky side of the transfer to the glossy side of the backing. So I'm going to fuzz this up because it is on a non-porous surface. And after I do that, which I just use the lint-free towel, then I'll chalk it up. And the blue I used, these are all new inks, and the one I used was Ocean Mist. And now I'm doing the confetti with the darker color is Currant Jam and the lighter is Cherry Blossom. And now I'm going to do a technique where I just use my finger in a circular motion to blend in the colors. And then, remember, it's chalk, so you can clean it up with a little bit of damp rag or Q-tip that I used here. So if you enjoyed this video, or if you would like to do some shopping or become a designer like me, just go to cheriecriswell.chalkcouture.com. And if you would, just push the like and the share button. Now that would be awesome. Thanks everyone. Bye.